What's going on, guys? Steve with Adventure Off-Road X, and it's a sad day, guys. So yesterday, bumped my little noggin here. Warhawk took a spill. A lady was making a U-turn, pulled out, and hit us from the side. My back wheel jumped over her hood, and we rolled 1.5 times and landed right on its head. Kids and I are good. We got checked out at the hospital. I'm a little sore, you know, but I'm just glad that me and the kids got out. The Jeep did his job. That's all I can ask. You know, these things can be rebuilt. You know, a lot of memories, a lot of miles. You know, my daughter and I, we kind of cried a little bit just because, you know, in the moment, you know, life's short, and it sucks that I have to be doing a video like this, but it's felt like it was needed. You guys have watched the journeys that we've done, and I appreciate everybody. This isn't the end, obviously. We're gonna have to make a Warhawk 2, so I don't know what that looks like right now, because obviously I'm still just trying to pick up the pieces from this. But as you can see, it did some damage. This side doesn't look as bad, but when you roll over here to this side, is the side that took most of it. We hit here, and then she rolled over, broke the axle in the back. I mean, front end looks good, but this here is most likely not going to be saved. I will say, out of everything, this right here, along with the rooftop tent and the Moto-Built full rack that I had on top, I'm a firm believer it helped with the situation. It took the force of us being on the top and spread it across the whole top versus just this taking it, because as you can see, this stuff does not hold up. It's you know, I had that whole top there, and the rooftop tent, you know, is destroyed, but we walked away from it, man. And like I said, that's that in itself is more than I can ever ask for. Is we walked away from it, and we'll rebuild it. But guys, we're gonna take off some parts here, some of my personal items, get that out of here. The plan is at least to get it over to my buddy's shop, Outlaw Offroad and 4x4, so we can take some of the good parts off, like the Fox 2.5s, the rims and tires, the Rock Jock front, and just some miscellaneous stuff that we could kind of save. My battery system all stayed intact. We got here and I still had a cold cooler with drinks in it. It was pretty funny. The guy came around and he's like, "Man, I like that fridge." Yeah, I was like, "We got some cold ones in here." So it was still cold. The battery system's still reading 99%. That's just wild. It's just wild that, you know, certain things that we put in here worked really well, and we're gonna build it again. I mean, I'm a firm believer this did well, not only off-road but in an accident. It can happen anywhere. You know, I wish I could tell you a cool story that, you know, I rolled off the side of a mountain or something like that, but unfortunately, it's not the case. It's just the case of someone not paying attention and being on their phone, and resulted into this. You know, things like this can be replaced, but family can't. You know, right before the holidays. So let that sink in. I think it's time for people just to slow down, pay attention to your surroundings, because you never know. But until next time, guys, enjoy your adventure.